Welcome to another video with www.balconywaterproofing.co.za. Today we're in Edenvale looking at a balcony that's in its final stages of painting. As you can see, our colour match is flawless to the existing structure. We've lifted the tiles, we've put new outlets in, we've done slip joints, we've screeded this area to full so there's no more standing water, and we've waterproofed with a tile grout that resists water to get into the tile structure. We've got two forms of water exiting the balcony, namely one on top of the tiles and one underneath the tiles, wicking through the adhesive of the tile. So the waterproofing needs to travel through the outlet such that the water drips off the waterproofing and not off the pipe. These are trade secrets to making the balcony last a long length of time. If you would like a perfect color match and a perfect long-term balcony solution, please reach out and we'll do a quotation for you. Make it a great day and follow us on further videos.